Cracked heels is quite a problem with many people and it looks totally unpresentable. So what can you all do is start scrubbing your feet with a foot scrubber like this, or you can use a pumice stone, which is very well known. Once you remove off that dirt, the dry skin, then your skin will feel rough, a little rough under your feet. However, it will clean all that unnecessary excess dry skin that you all have formed in that area. Once you're done scrubbing this, now I would advise you all to do this action while you're taking bath, because your skin is soft at that time. It's easy to scrub. Feel your skin, it is a little on the rough end, which is absolutely fine, but then the dirt is gone, the rough skin is gone. Thereafter, make use of glycerin. Now be careful, because after applying glycerin, if you walk with that feet, you might slip. So apply this just before your bedtime when you're going to sleep, and cover it with a sock, or daytime just give it a little rub with glycerine so that you do not slip when you are walking. And continue this for at least a month, and you will notice that your heels start looking absolutely beautiful. Do let me know in the comment section, how did you all like this hack suggestion? I will be waiting to read your comments. And special thanks to Jackie Rinker. That's the reason why I have made this video, who had asked for a crack heel balm homemade. So I'll be waiting for your comments. Friends, if you all are first time visitors to my channel, new out here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for new updates, new hacks. I'll see you next time.